Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read verbs and prepositions hand in hand. Students, in this video lecture, we will get here that which prepositions are used with particular verbs. In the last video lecture, student, we have got 25 verbs, and now in this video lecture also I have given 20 verbs with preposition. Now number one, students, marvel at. Marvel, with marvel, which preposition is used here? At. And what is the meaning of it? To wonder at. For example, when I reached Simla, I marveled at the beauty of snow-capped mountains. Now number two, student, occupied with. With occupied, which preposition is used here? With. And what is the meaning of occupied with? Busy with some people. For example, the manager is occupied with some new clients of the bank. Now number three, overcome with. With overcome, student, with which preposition is used? With. And what is the meaning of it? To be completely controlled by. For example, Nisha was overcome with joy when her daughter won the prize in the fashion show. Now number four, operate on. What is the meaning of operate on, student? Performance of practical work. For example, the doctor operated on her injured eyes. Now student, next one, number five, participate in. What is the meaning of participate in? To take part in. The teacher encouraged the children to participate in the cultural program. Number six, part with a thing. It means to give something. For example, she did not ever part with her engagement ring. Now number seven, part from a person. It means to leave from someone. Example, when she left the boarding school, she was upset to part from her friends. Now number eight, preside over. What is the meaning of preside over? It means a meeting and a function. The principal presided over the annual function of the school. Now number nine, students, proud of. What is the meaning of proud of? Feeling pleasurable satisfaction. My parents are proud of me. Number 10, refrain from. It means to avoid doing something. For example, the children should refrain from talking in the class while the teacher is teaching. Now number 11, relevant to. It means connected with. The details in the essay were relevant to the topic, my favorite sports. Now number 12, surprise at. Feeling or showing surprise. For example, she was surprised at the courage of the village boy who fought the leopard all alone. Now number 13, students, submit to. It means to obey and to give in to. The children finally submitted to the new regulations for football coaching. Number 14, succeed to. Succeed to means to achieve the desired aim. For example, Aurangzeb succeeded to the throne after Shah Jahan was imprisoned. Now number 15, surrender to. What is the meaning of surrender to? To yield to. The criminal surrendered to the police after a fierce fight. Number 16, vain of. It means proud of. A lady who is vain of her beauty is not admired by all. Number 17, warn of something. Tell To tell somebody about something. The residents were warned of suspicious strangers seen in the colony. Number 18, student, wait on. It means to attend. The nurse waited on patient with great care. Number 19, worthy of. It means deserving. The boy's performance in the class is worthy of praise. Now, number 20, student, withdrew from. It means to take someone or something out. My uncle withdrew from welfare organization because he fell sick and could not devote much time later. Now student, here I have given 10 sentences for appropriate preposition. So fill in the blanks. Number 1, the teacher was accompanied by many students when she visited the museum. Number 2, the little girl is capable of performing on the stage without formal training. Number 3, student, parents can count on their children for care and support during old age. Number 4, the little boy differed with his brother about going to the zoo during holidays. Now, next one. Number 5, student, Sachin Tendulkar was exempted from paying custom duty on the new car that was gifted him by a fan. Number 16, Meena is ignorant of the ill effect of eating junk food. Number 7, student, Ganesh has overcome with sorrow when he lost his precious watch gifted by grandpa a day before he had died. Number 8, we should refrain from spitting in public. We should refrain from spitting in public places. Now, number 19, children should be warned of something talking to strangers. Number 10, I waited on my grandma when she was sick. Number 11, Rakhi was vain of her intelligence, which others did not like. Number 12, the headline was relevant to the event that was described. So here relevant to is the correct preposition. So student, in this video lecture we have got here 12 sentences of fill in the blanks of preposition, correct preposition, and 20 sentences of verbs and preposition go hand to hand. So student, keep watching my videos, share it, subscribe my channel,